In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a Jira software project from login to sprint tracking. If you're working in software delivery, product management, or operations, Jira can give your team a much clearer view of what needs to be built, what is in progress, and what is blocked. Instead of scattered notes or disconnected tracking systems, you can manage everything in one place and keep your workflow organized from the start. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Atlassian sign-in page at id.atlassian.com, or use your organization's Jira site if you normally access it through a company-specific address. Once the page loads, enter your work email, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. After that, you'll land in Atlassian's main cloud workspace, where you can access Jira and related tools. From the home page, go to the top navigation area, open the Projects menu, and select Create Project. Jira will show you several project templates. Choose Scrum if your team works in timed sprints, or choose Kanban if your team prefers a continuous flow of work. Then select a company-managed project if you want stronger administrative control and shared configuration options. Enter a clear project name, then click Create. This gives you a fresh project workspace to begin organizing your delivery process. Next, let's add work items to the project. Click the Create button at the top of the screen. In the issue creation window, choose the issue type that fits the work you're adding. Use Epic for a larger initiative, Story for a user-focused requirement, or Bug for a defect. Enter a concise summary, then use the description field to add details such as acceptance criteria, context, or steps to reproduce. When everything looks right, click Create. Now move into backlog planning. In the left sidebar, select Backlog. At the top of the page, click Create Sprint, then drag your unassigned issues into that sprint so they are grouped for upcoming work. Add story point estimates where needed. Click Start Sprint and set the sprint duration, such as 2 weeks, to activate the iteration. Once the sprint begins, Jira opens your board view. Here, you'll see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As work moves forward, drag each issue card into the appropriate column. This keeps the board current and helps the team see progress at a glance. You can also use Jira's built-in AI tools to work faster. Use the search bar to type a plain English request, such as asking to see open, high-priority bugs assigned to you. In issue descriptions, the AI shortcut can also help generate or refine content. Before you finish, do a quick final review of the project. Confirm the project name is correct, the columns are organized properly, the issues appear as expected, and the charts or board data are displaying clearly. That's it. You now have a complete Jira workflow in place. From access and project setup to issue management, sprint planning, board tracking, AI assistance, and